Start off with clean, dry skin. Take off the protective seal and put the container in the microwave for about a minute. Once it's warmed up, let the wax sit for another minute. Then, use the end of the spatula with the blue box to test the wax. Spread the wax on in the direction of hair growth in thin layers. Put a strip over the wax right away and smooth it down in the same direction. Pull your skin tight, grip the end of the strip, and pull it back quickly against the direction of hair growth. For underarms, hair grows in 2 directions, so make sure you wax twice. For the bikini area, it's easier to wax in small sections. Just make sure to steer clear of any super sensitive areas. Rinse off any remaining wax with water and enjoy touchably smooth skin that lasts up to 28 days.